Welcome to Great Place to Work 2019, Great Place to Work for All Summit here in San Francisco. Thank you for braving the weather. I saw a lot of rain jackets last night. I saw a lot of people ducking in and out of cars, but we really thank you for taking the time and joining us today. And it's very, very fabulous to see your bright and shining faces this morning. I saw some folks doing yoga and eating breakfast in the elevator on the way down. Love the view, they love the yoga, so thank you for participating in those early morning activities as well. And if you had been here for the first couple of days and started to see folks coming through the lobby, you could actually see and feel the energy of in the hotel begin to change. And that's because of you taking the time and investment of resources, of your own willingness to be here, and energy to join us this week. But I personally want to know who's in the house, all right? If this is your first time at a Great Place to Work event, make some noise. Not bad, not bad. Now what about the vets? Those of us who have been here for a while, let's make some noise. I love it, thank you. Now, before we get too deep into the agenda, I want you to take a moment and look around you. For real, I mean really look around you. I want to see some heads moving. Whether the person you see is a colleague that you came with, someone you may have met previously, or someone you don't know. This is our tribe. These are our people, and this is our community. And because of the personal commitment from each of you, this year's summit is already shaping up to be one of the best yet. Now, for some of you, the summit began yesterday with some of the experiences, the immersion experiences at Hilton and at Salesforce. If you participated in the immersion experiences, can you make some noise? This is where we had an opportunity to deepen our understanding of how their unique cultures really enable the employee and customer experiences that we come to rely on from these great companies. And it's powered by their people. So we want to thank you, Hilton and Salesforce, for opening your doors to us. Our goal during our time together is to help accelerate your momentum through this journey of creating great places to work for all. And in my role as a consultant, I have the opportunity to see companies at all phases of their journey to create great workplaces for people and make money. And I'm personally reignited by the ones who are actively working to respond to business challenges, not just by creating new products or delivering new services, but by doing it in ways that tear down some of the walls between employees and management. Or the ones who are working to right-size decision-making and pushing it down the organizational chart. These are the companies that are working every single day to unleash their people's potential. And it gets me up every morning, ready to assist wherever I can. So during our time over the next couple of days, we'll be digging deep into how to ignite innovation by all. This is the way companies are transforming. And they're harnessing the power of their people and engaging them in meaningful, realizable ways. I believe this is truly our opportunity, and from our research, we know that most people in the US are not having a for-all experience. So you're going to hear from leaders and organizations that are doing something right to enable innovation by all, and this new way of thinking about unleashing human potential really requires that we rely on the power of we. There are peak moments in history where the power of we is on full display. In the US, the 1963 March on Washington was one of those moments. It really requires us to invest on what we have in common, because no one person can do this alone, and no one company can do this alone. I'd like to take a quick moment to acknowledge our sponsors for this event. If your company was a sponsor of the 2019 summit, would you please stand so we can recognize you? Thank you. We deeply thank you. You're here because you care about this, and inspiration is everywhere. So it's really up to us to take notice and to act. How innovation by all takes shape at your company is going to be unique. It's going to be based on and lived through your own unique values. It will be a reflection of your leadership. So I challenge you to take the inspiration and learnings from the main stage and all the focus sessions into the smaller conversations where we can actually influence change with each other. This provides us all an opportunity to take some risks. It means a new way of working together with our employees, with our managers, with our frontline folks, and our customers. The future is bright, y'all, and it rests in the hands and the hearts of your people. Let's work together to set it free.